Alex, if you could give one piece of advice to a beginner watching Our Daily English right now, what would it be?
Be brave. Don't wait for your English to be perfect before you speak. If you wait for perfection, you will wait forever. Speak badly, make mistakes, and laugh at them.
I love that. One hello at a time.
Exactly. If you followed this method for 30 days, your life will change. I am living proof.
If you're ready to start your journey, comment "I am ready" below. We read every single comment.
And don't forget to subscribe to Our Daily English and hit the bell icon. We have so many more tips coming your way.
Thank you for joining us today, Alex, and thank you for watching. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye for now.
Emily, Alex, tell them about the chunking method. How did it stop you from translating in your head?
I stopped learning single words. Instead of learning mind, I learned the chunk, I've changed my mind.
Why is that better?
Because I don't have to think about grammar. I don't have to think, is it changed or change? The whole phrase is stored in my brain as one unit.
Let's do a quick role play for the viewers. Imagine we are at a grocery store and I can't find the milk.
Excuse me, Alex. I'm looking for the dairy section.
Oh, it's just around the corner, right next to the bakery. You can't miss it.
To the audience, see? Around the corner, next to, you can't miss it. Those are all perfect chunks.
On day 8, we started the shadowing technique. This is where the real magic happens.
This was like a workout for my face. My jaw actually hurt after 20 minutes.
That's because English uses different muscles than your native language. Let's show them how it's done.
Honestly, I have no idea what you're talking about.
Did you hear that? He didn't just say the words, he copied the emotion. If the speaker sounds frustrated, you sound frustrated. If they are happy, you sound happy.
We did this for 30 minutes every single day. It's like being an actor. You aren't just learning a language, you are playing a character.
Alex, what was the hardest part of the first week?
The hardest part was not speaking. You told me to just listen for 7 days. I thought it was a waste of time.
Most people think that, but your brain needs to marinate in English. This is called comprehensible input.
I started listening to simple stories and podcasts while I was driving or doing the dishes. I didn't try to memorize anything. I just let the sounds flow.
Exactly. Think of a baby. A baby doesn't speak for a year. They just listen. By day 7, did you notice a change, Alex?
Yes. Suddenly, I could recognize where one word ended and the next one began. The noise of English started becoming music.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Read Daily English. I'm Emily, and today we have a very special guest, my good friend Alex.
Hi, Emily. It's such a pleasure to be here. I've been looking forward to this chat all week.
Did you hear that? Alex sounds like he was born in New York. But here's the secret. Just 30 days ago, Alex couldn't even finish a simple sentence without searching for words. Alex, tell them the truth.
It's true. I was stuck. I knew grammar rules, I knew thousands of words, but when I opened my mouth, nothing. I felt paralyzed by fear.
But then we started the 30-day immersion challenge. No boring textbooks, no expensive tutors, just one method.
And today, we are going to break down every single minute of that 30-day journey so you can do it too.